Welcome to the third and final video in my new series, helping real estate agents to optimize their Instagram and accelerate their real estate career. Today we're going to talk about some content ideas so that you can tailor your Instagram content specifically for your target demographic and bring in new business. First up, we have the most obvious, listing content. Photos and videos showcasing your most recent listings. Now, some real estate agents like to shoot this content themselves. I actually recommend that you hire a professional to shoot and edit these videos and photos for you. Up next, we have educational posts. Now, this is an opportunity to share valuable information and insights with your audience. This can include tips for the buying and selling process, mortgages, taxes, investing, all types of stuff like that. Next up, we have client testimonials, because a strong review from past clients helps to build trust and credibility. These should be real success stories from clients that you've helped in the past. And finally, we have authentic personal posts. These are posts that showcase your personality and your lifestyle. Anything from behind the scenes to day in the lifestyle vlog videos. This type of content helps the audience relate to you and encourages them to want to work with you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need further assistance with your Instagram, feel free to reach out, jared@galaxycreative.ca or @galaxycreative NOTL on Instagram.